Risk. How do we deal with risk? What is risk? Risk is that we walk out in front of a Mack truck, I suppose. Risk is that we have all our money in the stock market. Risk is that we put all our money in one company. Risk is we have all our money in CDs and interest rates go up and we're not earning what we need to keep up with inflation. There's lots of kinds of risks. I had someone tell me recently that they'd taken their whole portfolio and gone to bonds, that they'd gotten the risk out of their portfolio. And that's true for what they said. They did take the risk out of their portfolio as far as market risk. But what about inflation? What about interest rate risk? What did we do with those risks? See, I have this silly little rule, Wayne's rules, that if you have more than 10% of your wealth in one company, I get nervous. 25% I get the hives. And I've made that for people that really invest only in one company. But even in asset types, if you take all your money and put it in one pocket, if we only have our money in one pocket and we get a hole, we have a huge risk that we'll lose all our money. If we take all our money and put it in every pocket we have, then there's no one thing that will likely make us lose all our money. So it concerns me anytime we get too focused. We're worried about this one thing, so we take all our wealth and put it in this other thing, and we just don't know what the risk is at. In bonds, what if debt instruments around the world are affected by Greece today? What if debt instruments around the world are affected because of lack of liquidity? That's a risk. So I would ask you, go back, look at where you're at. Look at your portfolio. How well allocated are we? How well diversified are we? Do we have low correlation? Be thoughtful how you invest.